Good morning, everyone. This is Roberta Spade, aka Miss Burt with AJ Notary and Fingerprinting Services, LLC. We're located at 7124 Temple Hills Road, Temple Hills, Maryland. I just wanted to announce that we have now launched several different ways that you can experience and learn fingerprinting or starting your fingerprinting business. The One of the ways are the first two ebooks. My first ebook is called The Entrepreneur Blueprint to Building a Profitable Business. And it gives the example of a fingerprinting business, but you can substitute it with any kind of business. It's very practical information to be applied in starting any business on the right foot. My second ebook is called Step by Step Guide to How to Ink Roll Fingerprint. Okay. So it gives pictures and examples on, the old school inky, ugly, nasty fingerprint. Yeah. Some states still require that you submit those. So that is something that is very useful for anyone who is starting a fingerprinting business. The third thing we launched is our in-person workshop. I'm really happy about that. The first one went super, super, super great. So the in-person workshop, how to start your fingerprinting business. Okay, that is an in-person workshop. It is intimate setting, so we're only going to have 4 people. You get hands-on experience. We will have a guest speaker come in that also will relate to building your business, and you get a packet full of information that is very useful in your fingerprinting journey. The next one is the fourth one, and that is a downloadable 2-page, I think, 2-page learning the industry language. So I think it's very, very important because let me give you a short story. So I just started my fingerprinting business, and I answered the phone, and this guy asked me a question using these abbreviations that I was like, so what is that? And he was so upset. He was like, well, if you don't know, then you can't help me. Hung up. So from that point on, I started researching. And anytime someone used an abbreviation or a term, I would write it down. So I have uh, accumulated a list of industry terms, abbreviations that are very, very known in the industry and used very often. So I suggest anyone that's in the fingerprinting industry, new in the industry, to actually get that. Yeah, and I got some other things going on, but these are the things that are popping now. Like I said, the in-person workshop is limited because we are very is a kind of one-on-one thing going on, and we're talking, we're interacting. Something that I wish I had when I started. So those are some of the things that we will be talking about. A lot of things that I experience coming into the fingerprinting business, as well as other people that I work with in the industry, kind of wish they knew beforehand. So we'll be discussing that and really getting to the minute issue of why people are not sharing the information and so forth. And it's just a very powerful 3.5 hours in person, hands on, intimate workshop. So, like I said, that is April the 27th. So it's very limited. If you're interested, all the links to everything will be below this video. All right. Have a great day. Make sure you be kind. Make sure you show empathy. Make sure you show passion in everything you do. Mwah.